it has been a very good trip. Successful partnership, pushing for Nigeria in progress. And we have governors here. I don't know whether you've introduced yourself before I came in, but honorable ministers, they've given you some insight into what we're trying to do. What is uppermost in my mind is for you to represent Nigeria. Nigeria for development. Nigeria for good citizenship. Here you are one of us, and we have to encourage you to be good ambassadors, all of you. That is very key to me. We celebrate our diversity. We cherish it. But in this diversity, part of one line in the national anthem is our commitment to serve. If it is about service, we should be good citizens. That's as simple as that it is. I can't tell you more except from the embassy that Chinese is a very disciplined society. And we have to be disciplined too. Without discipline and commitment, we cannot be a nation that is expected to be. Exploit our diversity and be ready to do everything within the law of the community that we live in and reflect a good image of our country. Yes, you talk about investment opportunity and small-scale businesses. That is what is equally driving China's economy. And we have Bank of Trade and Industry back home. Try to get, some of your members to get connected with the bank. And we're ready to help all small-scale businesses to grow. To me, the country is going through a very strong phase of reform. And this reform is taking a very bold and hard decision. For example, you might be hearing from home now in the last few days about fuel prices. But can we help it? Can we develop? You use their good roads, say, You see electricity being constant. You see water supply being constant and running, and you see there are good schools, and we say we want to hand over a banner without staying to our children. What is the critical path to get us there? If we cannot take hard, painful decisions to pave the way for that country that is so blessed, so talented, so many of you talents here speaking Chinese and all, their language. It is what you equally contribute and tell them at home that we reflect in the attitude of our parents. The more we want everything free, the more it becomes expensive to develop. That's it. It's difficult. So good roads here. I want to emulate and reflect it back home. I want our children to be in good schools, not in tattered huts and dilapidated classrooms. You make teaching interesting and make business flourish. One economic action leads to another. It is in your hand to build our nation. Now is to provide the leadership that is necessary, and I'm committed to that. It's not all about politics. If you are afraid of taking the hard decision when it is time to do it, you probably will not be able to build a national consensus any day, anytime. So take action when it is necessary. We will do that. I promise you good governance. We are focused, and I have a very good team, I believe. So, to represent us is in your heart, it's in your mind, it is in your character. To promote Nigeria, all the questions you ask about what privileges that we could garner, but being listed, among the yes, we are discussing all of that. They are interested in the cultural diversity of the economy. They have the population. They have to service the population, and they are doing it. So it's in your hand to elevate Nigerians. We are not competing with any other nation. We are just part of a continent that is promising and is, forward-looking. And all I can promise you is good governance. And this team will not fail you, will not let you down. The governors here are highly committed to work with the federal government and elevate their states. But without investment, there can be no rewards. So many of you in private businesses, you've seen that. And so, if we say we have oil and we are not utilizing it for economic prosperity of our people, to develop, to diversify the economy, to build highways, who will do it and when? So, as I said earlier, I promise you good governance. You should promise me good citizenship. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Join the journey. It's a vibrant ride. Njenje TV. We stand with pride. Njenje TV, where the world aligns. African stories and catchy designs.